Okay, so this is a charger, an external charger, battery charger for the SJ4000 camera. SJ4000 charger, 3.7 volts lithium-ion battery, 900 milliamps, 3.3 watts hour, AC 100 volts to 250 volts, output 5 volts and 1 ampere. Do not disassemble. Okay, let's insert the end of the cable into the charger. Insert the other end of the cable into this wall plug. Insert this one into the wall socket. Okay, and let's take the battery out from the camera. That's the battery of the SJ4000. It's a small one. Okay, and let's just connect it to this one. It has 3 leads there, a blue and a red LED. And this battery looks like it's charged already. Let's see this one. And this one is red, that means it's charging. Okay, so that's charged. And then the blue LED is lit, and when it's charging, the red LED is lit. And that's it for the external charger of this camera. Thanks for watching, bye bye.